Wow, there's a lot of rides out here. I just went on one of them. And trust me, there's more coming. There's the Sphinx Fury, Sphinx Wrath, Pharaoh's Fury. Ooh, this one, nice. Should I bring my camera?
Are you online?
Hi.
Got a badge on the tickets?
Yep. Is it safe to bring objects on the ride?
I mean, if you hold on to it. If you don't want to, you can put it right there.
Hey guys. You don't mind if I sit with you, do ya? I have my own YouTube page. I teach people how to draw characters.
How many subscribers?
118.
Oh, which one do you want?
You guys ever heard of PJ Masks?
What?
You guys ever heard of PJ Masks?
No. Oh, PJ Masks?
Yeah, well, a lot has changed in the past couple of days. At first I thought they were going to have just 3 supervillains for the whole saga, but they keep adding new ones every season. That's a new one. I hear that this season they're going to add and include new monsters. Yeah. No way am I waiting for season 6 to come out in 2023. That's just bull trash. I do a lot of characters on my site. Pokemon, Digimon, Yokai Watch, Dragon Ball Super, Super Dragon Ball Heroes, that kind of stuff.
Yeah, it's cool.
And sometimes I do outdoor stuff.
Like what? Oh, like this? Right now?
Yeah.
So are you filming a video right now?
Yeah, I'm filming it, but my battery's almost at 30%. I don't know how it's gonna last.
You can probably last.
You guys ever watched Venom?
Yeah.
I saw Venom, Let There Be Carnage.
I want to watch it.
I want to watch it as much as you do. It's starting. Oh yeah! I also do lots of stuff like Polka Digi, Digital Pocket Monsters. It's an art series that includes Pokemon and Digimon. It's powerful. And in my series, Power. Audience, I ask you, what is my name? Evil Ira! I love this stuff. Alien X! I love this stuff.